Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss the differences between deferred revenue and accrued expense. Both are important accounting concepts and adjusting entries, but they affect financial statements in very different ways. Let's understand each difference one by one. Number 1. Deferred revenue means money is received before goods or services are provided, whereas accrued expense means an expense has been incurred but payment has not yet been made. Number 2. Deferred revenue is created when a business receives advance cash from customers, whereas accrued expense arises when a company owes money for expenses already used. Number 3. Deferred revenue is considered a liability because the company still has an obligation to perform services, whereas accrued expense is also a liability because the company must pay outstanding expenses. Number 4. Deferred revenue increases cash and liabilities at the same time, whereas accrued expense increases liabilities and expenses together. Number 5. Deferred revenue does not immediately increase income because revenue is recognized later, whereas accrued expense immediately reduces profit because the expense is recognized now. Number 6. Deferred revenue follows the entry debit cash and credit deferred revenue, whereas accrued expense follows the entry debit expense and credit accrued expense. Number 7. Deferred revenue is recognized in the profit and loss statement when services are delivered, whereas accrued expense is recognized when the expense is incurred. Number 8. Deferred revenue involves receiving cash in advance, whereas accrued expense usually involves paying cash in the future. Number 9. Common examples of deferred revenue include advance rent, subscriptions, and customer prepayments, whereas common examples of accrued expense include salaries payable, utilities payable, and interest payable. Number 10. Deferred revenue appears under current liabilities in the balance sheet until earned, whereas accrued expense also appears under current liabilities until paid. Number 11. Deferred revenue increases operating cash flow because cash is already received, whereas accrued expense may have no immediate cash flow impact at the time of recording. Number 12. Deferred revenue liability decreases over time as revenue is earned, whereas accrued expense liability increases until the company settles the payment. Number 13. Deferred revenue ensures revenue is reported in the correct accounting period, whereas accrued expense ensures expenses are matched to the correct accounting period. Number 14. Deferred revenue supports the matching principle by delaying revenue recognition until earned, whereas accrued expense supports the matching principle by recognizing expenses when incurred. Number 15. If deferred revenue is ignored, income may be overstated in the earlier period, whereas if accrued expense is ignored, liabilities may be understated and profits may appear higher than actual. So, the key difference is that deferred revenue represents cash received before earning revenue, whereas accrued expense represents expenses recognized before cash payment. If this lecture was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.